So you said that your dripless shaft seal is dripping, and I can see it. Is there any reason that it started dripping?
No, I mean, I can't think of it. Well, the only thing I can tell you is Friday, I was here, I went through everything, I started the engine, I ran it. And I knew at that point in time it was not dripping, because it was bone dry in there. So, I mean, I just went down there just checking the oil, and quite frankly, I was out here on the back deck, because I was looking at the hose and stuff, and I heard the oil pump kick on. I'm like, oh, wait a minute, that shouldn't be going. So,
Okay, well, that's your shaft seal back there with the blue rubber boot. But looking on your shaft between the blue rubber boot and the coupling to the engine, there's no spare gaskets or rubber O-rings for that. So we'll tinker with it a little bit, and if we can't fix it, then you're going to have to haul the boat, have the shaft disconnected from the engine, slide the shaft back about 7 or 8 inches, and you may as well put a new total assembly on there, which includes that blue rubber boot. And then when they put it together, you should have an extra rubber O-ring or gasket that will sit right there on the shaft. So that way, next time if it goes bad, all you need to do is disconnect or unscrew those silver screws. I'll get down here with you and we'll crawl around. Unscrew those 5 silver screws, pull that plastic cover off, cut the old gasket with a razor blade, shimmy the new gasket in place, which is a rubber O-ring, and then screw the 5 screws back together.
So it just doubles up in there just so you can do that?
Right. It's like having a spare tire in the trunk of your car.